现在这碰着啥也自称这种特色也，俺这个后边啷个啥里买个多嘞？Mas terjadi di kerja melengkapi trafo, ayah yang belum lama tapi yang tersesungguh. Gundi tamu terkenalan tersungguh, cecil zamlaga wajah seni tom jemen dia. Vì số chia ngã dung lên trên mùa đời lỡ sông hai đôi mùa xin ya chỉ mừng đi người trong gửi cầm cho ta tên chỉ đủ làm tuần mưa chỉ thử gì bị ta kể nam nhớ được chỉ mừng đi Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những
Why did a Tibetan monk die in custody thousands of miles from home?
56-year-old Tuku Rigzin Hungar Dorji, abbot of Lungwon Monastery in Golok Amdo, Tibet, was announced dead on April 1st in Vietnam after being missing for months.
No autopsy, no viewing of his body, and no death certificate was provided to his family.
What we do know are reports that the Vietnamese police and Chinese agents arrested him in Ho Chi Minh City and that he died suddenly, days after being taken into custody.
The death of Tuku Hungar Dorji is a portrait of all of the most pressing issues that Tibet faces today.
Transnational repression. Vietnamese police reportedly worked with Chinese agents to arrest him in Vietnam.
China's colonial boarding schools. Tuku Hungar Dorji founded many schools that taught thousands of Tibetan nomadic students. Schools such as these, like Ragya Ganjong Sherek Nubuling, are being shuttered across the plateau, and Tibetan children are being shipped hundreds of miles away from home into Chinese state-run colonial boarding schools.
China's fake Panchen Lama. Earlier in the summer of 2024, Tuku Hungar Dorji reportedly refused to host an elaborate reception for the fake Chinese state-appointed Panchen Lama during a propaganda tour in Golok.
Because of his defiance, Tuku Hungar Dorji was reportedly subjected to intense harassment by the CCP, which coincides with the timeline of when he disappeared in fall of 2024.
And of course, in this story, we hear the echoes of the murder of Tuku Tenzin Delek Rinpoche, another beloved Tibetan monk, religious leader, and philanthropist who was killed in Chinese custody because he enjoyed tremendous respect and influence over Tibetans inside Tibet, something the Chinese government will never have and always fear.
Now there are more questions than answers, and a grieving community demands justice.
Now we're calling on the Vietnamese government. Investigate. Return his body to his family. Tell the world the truth. And to the global community, stand with Tibet. Demand justice for Tuku Hungar Dorji.